The PG Department of Fashion Designing and Home Science proudly hosted a vibrant 7-day Textile Fest. This immersive event gives students a unique opportunity to explore and master various textile art forms, enhancing their practical skills and creativity. Throughout the festival, participants engaged in a series of hands-on workshops covering a diverse range of techniques including tie and dye, Warli, Madhubani painting, freehand painting, modular art, stencil, block, and screen printing. These workshops were designed to foster artistic expression and provide students a skill necessary for future fashion and design industry. A highlight of the Textile Fest was the participation of educator Preeti Verma from Pidilite, who conducted specialized sessions on Warli and Madhubani painting, freehand painting, and modular art. Her expert guidance not only enriched the students' learning experience but also inspired them to push their creative boundaries. Dr. Triminder Singh Gubba commended the department for organizing skill-based workshops that enhance students' hands-on experience. He emphasized the importance of practical training in fostering innovation and creativity among aspiring designers. Dr. Balbir Kaur, head of the department, praised the student for showing such dedication throughout the workshop. She noted that the high level of participation and engagement reflected the students' commitment to honoring their craft and exploring new artistic avenues. The Textile Fest not only served as an educational platform but also as a celebration of creativity and cultural heritage, highlighting the importance of traditional art forms in contemporary designs. The department looked forward to host more such events that empower students and contribute to their professional development.